Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how I fixed a common issue with a tool in Kali Linux that's often used for labs testing purposes. This is just for learning and fixing technical issues in a test environment. So here's what happened. I opened my terminal and navigated to the folder where the tool is saved by typing, and then ran the script with Python 3. But instead of starting normally, it showed checking Serveo status and then status offline. Because of that, and the server didn't launch and the tool just sat there doing nothing. Now if you're facing the same thing, here's a simple fix that worked for me. I ran the same command again, but this time I added --t manual at the end. So the full command was Python 3 and the tool name and tmanual. After pressing enter, the tool launched again, and this time, no more errors. The Serveo stats was online and the PHP server started successfully. So yeah, if you're running into that offline status issue while testing tools like this in Kali Linux and try running it in manual mode, it might just solve the problem instantly. Hope this helped, and remember, always use these tools responsibly and only in a legal educational setting. Thanks for watching.